We are going to break down how you can find and update information in SmartSuite per your automation needs. What I want is an automation that's going to find all of the boxes that are checked and erase them. We can choose our trigger, and we are going to go with a record matches a condition. We have to first perform the find function. We're looking inside of app 1, and then we have to apply our condition. So in our case, our condition is that the checked box is equal to yes. You can establish not only how many records you're going to return, but also which of those records you're going to actually be activating on. So now we can go again to update records. SmartSuite is smart enough to know that the action that we're going to be performing on must be the search that we performed. We find those records with the checked box, and we want to update them all at once. Make sure that I've got some checked boxes. I go into app 2 and I say, do it. See, it looks like some are already starting to come off.